What's going on guys, my name is Zain and today in this video I will teach you that how you can make this type of 3 amazing card effect using your Elementor page builder in your WordPress website. So you can showcase this and use this in your portfolio or any website. So let's jump into the video. Firstly, you need to go on your Elementor dashboard and make sure go to the Elementor settings. Here you can see Elementor, go to setting. In experiment tab, just scroll down and click on Flexbox container. Click on this and click on active and just scroll down and click on save changes. So after that, go to your Elementor and here you need to click on plus icon, and I am selecting the second structure from here. So click on VH and put here 100 VH value. So after that, you need to go here items. In direction of the item, click on vertical column and click on justify content center and also in center. Go to the style tab. Here you need to select a color classic and I choose here color hash. Make sure you put the exact same value. So here you need to put the exact same value hash 3C2846. Otherwise your CSS code not work properly. So after that, go to the advanced tab. In advanced tab, here you need to put here unlink the padding, and in the right and in the left I put here 50 pixels of padding. Now our work is done here. Click on this Rubik's Cube icon and drag a container in this container. So here you can see the width. Make sure your width is 1200. So here you can see 1200. Click on again Rubik's Cube icon and drag a container in this container. So in this time you need to change the height. Click on pixels and put here 420 pixels. I put here 420 pixels. Go to style tab and here you need to click on gradient. So choose two color of gradient as you like. So firstly I choose this color in the top, and in the bottom I choose this color. So in my case I like this color. You can choose any color. Then go to the advanced tab. So firstly in the style tab, here you need to change one more thing, that is border. Click on border, unlink the border from here, and here you need to put exactly same border. So here border radius, firstly in the top I put here 20, in the right also 20, and in the bottom 160, and also in the left 160. So this value exactly you need to put. Now go to the advanced tab and here click on unlink the padding. So click on unlink the padding and in the right and left put here 15. So first I select here 1 and then 5, and also in the left 5. Now our work is done of this container. Click on this container and duplicate this one time. Again click on this and duplicate it. So now we duplicate it 3 times. Now we need to open our navigate, right click and open navigator. Make sure select the first container from here. After select the first container, and here you need to change the align to go to the layout firstly, and here you can see the align item. Click on this row and the content gap, here you need to put 3 0. First I put 3 and then put 0. So 30 pixel of content gap. Now you need to click on this Rubik's Cube icon again, and I close the navigator here and search here icon. So just search here icon. Here you can see icon. Drag the icon in the container and go to the style tab. Firstly you need to choose the color. So choose the color fully white, and in the size tab you need to put here 84. So the size is okay. Now go to the advanced tab. In advanced tab, unlink the margin. In the bottom I put here 5, and also unlink the padding from here. So first you need to do is 0 in top and 10 in the right, 10 in the bottom, and also 10 in the left. Now click on the width and select here custom. Now select the width in pixels. Here I put the 140. Click on align into center. So now just scroll down here, click on the background. In the background type, here you need to do is just select the classic color and make sure choose the exact same color that we put in the background. So that is hash 3C2846. So the same color is I put here. Now just scroll down, click on the border, and in border radius just unlink the border and put here 100 in bottom and also 100 in left. Now our work is done from here. And also one more thing that you need to add, just come up, click on the layout, and here you can see CSS classes. In the CSS classes you need to put exact same value that I show you here. You need to put here icon dash section. Make sure you need to put exact same value. Now you need to do is click on this Rubik's cube icon and drag a heading widget in this under this icon, and here I choose my color. I choose here card 1. So card 1. Here I change the spelling mistakes, this one. Now click on the center align, go to the style tab, change this color. You can put any color from here that you like. I like white. Go to typography and choose the font. I put here Poppins font in this time. Now in the weight I put here 600. Now this is done. From here go to the advanced tab. In advanced tab you need to put some margin, so unlink the margin. I put here 6 in bottom, so -6 in bottom. Now this is perfect. Now you need to do again, click on this Rubik's cube icon and drag a text editor under this heading. Go to the style tab. Firstly click on the center align, go to the text color. I choose here white color fully. Go to the typography, change the font if you want, and I change the weight from 400 and font is okay. Now this is our work is done. And firstly you need to click on this container, second container. Here you can see our first color and second color. Make sure you exactly select this container. Go to advanced tab and here you can see CSS classes. Put here card, only card in small letter. Now our first card is ready for work. Now we need to right click on this and duplicate one time, again right click and duplicate. So now I delete this two container from here. So right click and delete this, also delete this two from here. Now we need to put a CSS code in this card. So right click and I open navigator from here. So firstly select the first container, go to advanced tab, and here in the custom CSS field we need to put a custom CSS here. So I put the website link in description. Go here, just scroll down and you need to select the all CSS code from here. Right click and click on copy, come back here, right click and paste all CSS text from here. Now you need to do one more thing here. Select the second container from here, go to the additional option, click on overflow and click on hidden. And also this second container, click on additional options, overflow to hidden, and you need to do all this with the 3 container. Click on second one, go to layout, and here additional, click on hidden. So now click on the second, go to additional and overflow to hidden. So I do this in all 3 tabs. Now our work is done here. So you can see I just close the navigator from here. So I just minimize this. So here you can see our beautiful card is ready for our website. So now I change one thing, that is icon. So you can see the same icon in 3. Click on icon library. You can choose, I choose for demo purpose this, and on the third I choose the sunshine. So this is okay. You can also change the card 1, card 2 and card 3 from here. So in my case this is okay. So you want to change the color and you want to change the container like text or container color. So you can do this simply by coming here like that. You can put any color that you like. So now we check our responsiveness in the mobile and tablet view. Click on mobile view. Firstly click on tablet view. Here you can see we need to change something, that is open navigator here. Select first container from here and go to the layout. First we need to change the row to column vertical, and the gap between element we put here 100. So change this to 100 something. So here I put 100. So this is okay in. So you can also change the color or increase the size of the font here, like click on typography and change the font size from here of this. So in my case I put like this. So make sure change this all in 3. Now I click on the mobile view. So in the mobile view we also need to change something here. Click on first container and go to the advanced tab, and here we need to change the padding. First unlink the padding from here, and we need to do mobile padding. Firstly 50 on the top, and here we need to put 25 in the right. So I put here 25. In the bottom we need to put here 100, and also in the left we need to put here 25. So I do this and also did this. So this is okay. Now we need to go to the layout, and in the layout section we need to select the second container in this time, and we need to change this width to, make sure select this container, and here you can see the 420. We need to change this width. So now you can see our this container is ready, and you can see the text is doing something not good. So I just decrease the size of the text from here. So 17 is good. So here you can see this is look good in mobile, tablet and desktop view. So this is a quick tutorial that how you can make this type of amazing card using your Elementor page builder. I hope you learned something new in this video. If you learned something new, make sure give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video you will get notified. And if you want to watch more video like this, so you can check out this 2 video in the end screen, and also check out my channel for watching all the nice tutorial. So I will see you into the next one. For now, bye bye.